G'day folks, and welcome to another Ken's Home video. Today we're at the 2014 Muscle Car Masters. We're only here for the Sunday instead of the Saturday and the Sunday because it was bucketing down rain on the Saturday, and even in the morning you can see it's pretty wet. These will be probably Ken's favourites, the Group A and C, just on the warm-up grid, formation grid. And there's Tirana Club guy, Steve is Vista. We've got the Gemini, number 93. And there's Steve by his Gemini. This was a Bathurst car. I don't know whether it was 79 or 80 or 81, I'm not sure. Also along from the Sydney Tirana Club is Al Stratton over there. He's helping strap Steve in before he gets going. I think on the Sunday all the categories had a chance at the wet weather at the start of the day, bucketing down. Wasn't too bad, the Group A and C race. It was interesting in the wet. Everyone sort of behaved themselves pretty well, and we were quite dry sitting up in the grandstanding watching most of it. Something I've only ever heard about, and I was absolutely rapt to see it in person. It's the Repco Formula 5000 Tirana from the 74-75 era sports sedans. Ron Harrop built this thing, and it's an awesome machine. It was at the Des Wall Pavilion where he had a few of his other cars there, and what a masterpiece of work and fiberglassing this thing is. I just love the looks of it. unfortunately, there was a big crash around the back of Corporate Hill, and all the cars are under safety cars at the moment, but it's good for a filming opportunity.
Another legend of Australian motorsport is over to John Smale, standing over on the figure 8.
4 times Australian rally champion and just inducted into the Canberra Sportsman's Hall of Fame is Neil Bates. Neil, good.
Well, that's it, folks, for the Group NC race. Short but sweet. Unfortunately, due to the safety car, they only got a few laps in. Steve Exister from the Sydney Tirana Club, and I was talking to him between races, and he was having a ball even though it was wet at the start, and he wasn't near the pointy end of the field. He was still having a great time. I just had to film the starting grid for this. It's not the quality, it's the quantity. Look how many HQ Holdens there are. Didn't think that many existed. It's like an angry swarm of bees as they head down the main straight.